Good morning, good morning, guys. Welcome again. This is your boy, Andile Mkize RSA. You can catch me on Instagram, and then you can also catch my brother, Bang Trader, on Instagram. So, guys, welcome again. I'm here to talk about Nasdaq and US30. I'll be going through both fundamental and technical. I'll be reminding you more about what we have explained before on our previous videos. So guys, we'll keep on giving you this knowledge. You need to know that we are here for you. You need to know that our day nights only offers one-on-one sessions, and also we also offer the signals only. So nothing more, nothing feeder. So guys, welcome. What's a great morning? What's a great day? I hope you're all okay. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Day and Night Forest. We are here to give you free food and free education. So basically we'll be looking at indices, what has been happening last week and this week. Basically, guys, you need to know that as you always tell you that you need to know that indices are 70% fundamentals and they're 30% technical. You can analyze your US state, you can analyze your US state in there, but bear in mind that fundamental are the strongest. So now I'm gonna be taking you through our analysis for the first. I will be going for US30. Okay, this is what I do when we analyze. First thing that we use our bigger time frames to get the major zones. Those are the very important ones. So we use the bigger time frames to get our major zones. As you can see where US30 10, then it's pushed down, then it went up again, and it went down again. So this will be our strongest support. This is be our strongest support. As you can see what happened yesterday, this daily candle with a wick. So the reason why indices has been dropping like this is because of the fundamental. It's because of Amazon. It's because of a war between several countries, Russia and Ukraine, and also there's also USA involved now. What's the other country? I think there are 4 words they are trying to help Ukraine. So we also receive a notification today for news. Another thing, guys, don't forget to download CNPC apps on your phones. Download CNPC apps on your phones. You must also have Bloomberg. You can also download Bloomberg on the phone, but I prefer a CNPC. So guys, let's go through our chart. This is what I do when I analyze my chart. This is how I win my trades. So guys, basically you need to understand something. When it comes to forex trading, you are not gonna win every day, guys. You're not gonna win every day. There'll be those rainy days that you do your analysis and this goes against you because of the fundamentals. So when you are trading indices, you need to bear this in mind. Also, you can't trade in the indices as you trade our currencies. No, it's not gonna work. Trust me, I've tried it. Another thing, there's no holy grail or secrets when it comes to trading forex, guys. You need to bear that thing in mind. There's no holy grail or something secrets when it comes to trading forex, guys. There's nothing it's called secrets. What you need to do in order to be successful in forex trading, one thing, you need to stick to your trading plan. You need to stick to your psychology, guys. You need to trust your strategy. You need to respect your strategy, guys. This is one very important key. You need to be patient. You need to be disciplined. You need to be consistent. So guys, there's nothing like secrets when it comes to forex trading. Another thing, you need to use stop losses when you trade, but most of the time when it comes to indices, they goes for your stop loss first before it goes to profit. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it does. So Yeah, guys, I'm here to tell you about more about indices because I see many people that are losing money. I see many people that are making money. Some they're gonna make profit today. They're gonna make more profit, and then the following day they lose all the money. What is the problem when it comes to that, guys? It's poor risk management. Another thing, guys, let's avoid being greedy. Let's avoid being greedy when it's come to trading, guys. Let's avoid being greedy. Greedy doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. Okay, guys. Let's start working, guys. Let's start working, guys. Okay. Firstly, we will be looking on our last height on daily on US30. So this is okay. This is our last height on daily, and then yesterday is broke our last week also lower. It's broke our last week lower. As you can see what is happening, guys. As you can see what is happening, it's broke below. So gonna put our support and resistance, our major zone now. This is our major. This also this gonna be our major zone where it's 10 for daily chart. I hope you can see. I'm using a line chart because a line chart is giving me more like accurate zones. You see, I can see where the market tends. As you can see what happened here. 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 This is the night 10 up for the market. You can see what happened here. Then break up, then come and test, then push down again. Break this one again, come and test. So we'll see. We on a major zone now. We'll see what is going to happen here. So I'm finding our support and resistance now, our supply and demand zone. Okay, let me drop down again to H4. So let me go to H4. So basically, another thing we also have a resistance here in this area. So we also have a resistance here in this area. So we have a resistance also in this area. So this is gonna be our resistance. So I usually use line charts also in H4. I'm showing you this is for the bigger time frame. You're looking for a bigger time frame. Now you're still gonna go to a small ones. Okay. Okay, good. As you can see, I founded my major zone here. So this is gonna be my major zone for daily and H4. So I know whenever the market touches this area, what is gonna happen. I'll be looking for rejection. I'll be looking for a breakout. So as you can see, what is happening here. You see, we broke this support, and then what happened after that? It's come and tested several times, and then after that, it's pushed down to make the lower low of the day. Now we came back again in this support. So we are waiting. It's either it's gonna close above or it's gonna close below. So we are waiting. So we'll be dropping down. But as you can see, when it comes to candlesticks patterns, that we have a bullish engulfing here. Have a bullish engulfing here. So the possibilities of US30 to push high, they are high also, because if the news come are positive, and then everything will be good. Okay. Let me put my line charts. Let me also have a zone now here. So if I look at my market structure now, at my line charts, I see on H4 that it's trying to make some sort of a head and shoulder. You need to pay attention, guys, to your charts. You can see that it's making some sort of a head and shoulder now. And then you also have a bullish engulfing also on H4, of which it's a strong reversal. It's a strong reversal. So let me go back to my candlesticks. So let me going back to my candlesticks. As you can see, let me go to H1. So I spotted my zone. I can also put this one here. Just because I know whenever it breaks here, you are coming for this other block. You're coming for this other block. We'll see whenever the market breaks. Since we are still down, we're not gonna look more feeder. We still need to look for what is happening around here, so that you won't confuse ourselves. Okay, this is the top down analysis, guys. So I'm gonna drop to H1 now. See, I'm on H1 now. So I'm on H1 now. See, I'm on H1 now. So yeah. Okay, I'll be looking for, so this is H1. So I hope you can all see what is happening. I hope you can all see what is happening. I'm on H1 now, looking for the smaller time frame as zones. I usually use H1 for the M15, M30, and M5. I hope you can all see what is happening now. I hope you can all see now what is happening, guys. So I gave a sell in the morning in my group. I gave a sell here, but what happened? We had a stop out. We had a stop out. Then you see now it's moving down. My TP was here at 32955. So we are making some sort of a head and shoulder. Where are we now? We are in a ranging channel of a head and shoulder. We are in a ranging channel of a head and shoulder. It can also, this acts as an order block because it's blocked the trend to move up. It's blocked the trend to move down. So we're in a sort of a head and shoulder of an order block. We're in the ranging, in a ranging channel. We are in a ranging channel. So we are waiting to see either it's going to break below, come and set and continue down, or it's going to respect and then move up. Okay, so let's wait and see whenever it moves up where it's going to go. Remember what happened. Remember this. So we had a zone here. Had a zone in this area. Then we had a zone in this area. We had a zone here. So we had an inside bar here. This inside bar is X as a supply demand. It's X as a supply, so not a demand. Yeah, X as a supply. So whenever the markets move up and get trapped here, don't be surprised because it's also X as a what? It's also X as a zone inside bar. It depends how strong it is. As you can see, what happened when the markets came here. You see how it's reacted, and then it's pushed up to find our resistance. And what happened is concentration, then push down. We had a strong bearish engulfing, and then it's pushed down again. Then it tried to pull up here, is failed, then went down and tried to pull up again here, is failed. Of which the reason why I tried to pull up here is because we're trying to respect. So trying to respect these are resistance. And then what happened after this? And then after that is pushed down. Because of the what? Because of the fundamentals. The stronger the fundamental, the weaker your analysis. So respect your fundamentals, guys, when it comes to trading indices. So yeah, guys. So we are still here. So let me drop back. Let me go to 30 minutes. I want to show you. So let me go to 30 minutes. I hope you can see this thing is one and the same thing. Okay. Let me do like this. Yeah. So let me do like this. So we have something like this here. Something like this here. This is how I do it. See, it goes the same as here. So it's one and the same thing. So there's nothing different. So there's nothing different. So this one. So we know. So we know whenever we break. So we know whenever we break our ranging channel. You see when you go to M15. See when you go to M15. You see what I hope you see what has been happening here when you go to here. I hope you all see what has been happening here. You see, it's respected. So many went up and then it's pushed down. It's pushed down. It came to the test. It came to the test. It went down to make our lower low, and then we found it our support. Then it's push high. And then it went again inside it. Now we are inside it now. So now we're in a position. So we wait and see what is going to happen here. If it's respect here again, it's give us so many restriction and stays a long time here. We'll be looking for a buy opportunity. And then if our news they're gonna be positive, we'll be looking for breakouts and come here, then it's come and test. Then we wait and see if it's gonna respect this area, and then we see we move higher again. But if we come here and then come here and then come and test, move down again. So guys, we are waiting. This is the analysis of what of US30. This is the US30. So we'll wait and see what is going to happen here. I use most of the time M5 and M15 to find my entry. So yeah, I hope you are all happy, guys. When it comes to your state, I hope you can all see how to do it and how we do it. Actually, this is how we do it. This is how I analyze. This is how I kill the market. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq now. We're gonna go to Nasdaq now. Let's see what's be happening. Let's go. As you can see, Nasdaq is not the same, not the same as the US30. Let's check on Nasdaq. Let's check on Nasdaq. So if you can see, if you can check on Nasdaq. Okay, looking at Nasdaq now. Looking at Nasdaq now. Okay, gonna go on daily chart now. Going on daily. Going on daily. So this has been the last height. You can see what happened. Break, come and test. Guys, line chart is the best. You see everything clear when it comes to daily charts. You see everything clearly. You see now, what happened is come, test, and break. That's high. And then this is our last low for Nasdaq. We have 1, 2. Hope you can all see. And then this is also what? Is also is our resistance. It's our resistance. Another thing is you can, if you can look closely on the line charts on Nasdaq. So we never came here. Never came here to test this broken support. It just went down just like that. It's gonna come here soon. It's gonna come here soon. As you can see, that's been on a downtrend. There's on downtrend, there's no breakouts, there's nothing, as you can all see, guys, as you can all see. It's been on a downtrend, there's no breakouts, there's nothing. If you can see, you can put a trend line like this. Okay, remove it. Remove this thing is okay. Okay. Now let me drop to H4. Okay, I'm on H4 now. As you can see, guys, I'm on H4 now. Okay. Let me look for my zones also on H4. Let me look for my zone also on H4. You see, so this is the area where Nasdaq broke and never came and tested, even on the H4. Oh, on H4 is dead. It's dead. It's dead. It did test on H4. I didn't see this one. So for daily has not come yet. It did test on H4. So we have our resistance here. And then have our support. This is still our support also. This is still our support, guys. This is still our support. This is still our support. It's our resistance. I mean, sorry, it's not the support, it's our resistance. As you can see how I'm doing the top-down analysis. You need to spot the most important and then the most major zones. You also have a bullish engulfing on H4 on Nasdaq. Also have a bullish engulfing also on Nasdaq. Also have a bullish engulfing also on Nasdaq. So let me drop down to H1. Going to H1. Going to H1. Let me go to H1. Let me go to H1. Okay. Going to H1. Going to H1. So for the smaller time frames, sometimes it can make a fake breakouts, comes here and then push up again, close above the strong major zones support. Okay, guys. Look at this. So this area been trying to push up, came and then try to test, then down again, push up and then come to test, down again. It's finally broke out